Liesel here from VA Wonder. Today, I'll show you how to create a moving video story in Canva using just one photograph and the Match and Move tool. It's simple, cinematic, and perfect for Instagram stories, reels, or brand videos. Start by creating a new canvas. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the Instagram story template, which is also perfect for YouTube Shorts. Upload your photo via the Uploads tab or paste it directly onto your canvas. Drag your photo in and adjust it to fill the whole frame. Do not set the image as background. I'm using this image taken at the Leon Bistro in Lisbon. It has the possibility for various focus points, perfect for subtle motion. Let's quickly update the file name. Now select page 1, right-click and duplicate this page twice. Now go to your second page and bring the first focal point into focus. To make this easier, zoom out, so Control minus. So I'm going to bring the first plate into focus like this. Then I'm going to duplicate this page, page 2. I'm going to bring the next plate into focus. Right-click, duplicate this page. Now the third page. Now duplicate page 4. And bring your last plate into focus. Increase your canvas size, Control plus. Now, when we look at this little timing button, we can see that each canvas slide or page is 5 seconds long. I want to make each one of them 2 seconds long. So let's click onto that. Go down to 2 seconds. And then click onto Apply to all pages. Now, let's preview our story. Okay, so when I previewed the story, I saw that there was a little mistake. Here on page 4, there's a white line, so let's just move the photo a little bit. Excellent. So now I'm just going to download it so that I can show you what the before and after looked like. So share, download. I will do this as a GIF because I don't have any sound at the moment. All pages, done, and download. Now let's add the magic. When we bring our cursor here in between the pages, you will see it gives us the option to either add a page or add a transition. So click onto that. Then click onto this Match and Move. Let's bring our duration up a little bit. So 0.7 in this case. And then click here at the bottom on Apply between all pages. Now you can see that this transition has been applied between all the pages. Let's preview it. With this Match and Move tool, Canva's automatically added some camera movement, creating that cinematic feel with just one click. Let's quickly add a title to page 1. And if you would like to add some audio, you can do so now. You can check out this video where I will show you exactly how to do that. Our last step is to download the video. So you can go to Share, Download. You can choose MP4 for video. I would suggest that if you have sound in your video. Otherwise, you can just choose GIF for a short clip with no sound. Let's compare our videos. The first one without the Match and Move tool. And now, with the Match and Move transition, you've turned a single photograph into a moving story. I hope you've learned something new today. If you've got any questions, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.